Coming to you live from beautiful Bracebridge today, and I'm calling all you growing families, first-time buyers, or downsizers.
We've got worry-free living in this beautifully maintained end unit townhome.
And we're blending that desired Muskoka charm with all your day-to-day conveniences.
All that and more on today's episode. All right, Brendan, today we find ourselves in beautiful Bracebridge. This place has so much to offer. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, Bracebridge is truly a special place to live. It's no longer just that stop on the way to the cottage that a lot of people used to use it for. It is a growing metropolis here. I mean, we've got families flocking here for so many different reasons. I mean, yes, as I just mentioned, we've got cottage country. We're in the heart of it, Muskoka. It is a phenomenal place to spend your weekends, but I'm talking all year round here. You've got all of your big box stores taking care of you. All your amenities are covered. One of the best downtown cores that I know here. We got some awesome shops and dining and restaurants, all of that right there. A little bit further, you got the Muskoka River, the beautiful falls, tons of hiking and biking trails. I mean, it's a recreational paradise. We've got Bracebridge and Muskoka Lake Secondary School right around the corner here, as well as the Reen Case Theater and the Sportsplex. So everything is right at your fingertips. We've got the South Muskoka Curling and Golf Club, so it is right around the corner as well. We've got more golf courses in arm's reach too. It is, again, a recreational paradise here. We've got tons of these little developments popping up here. Again, perfect for the young families. As I said, great schools, great shopping, great dining, tons of conveniences. It is a spectacular place to live.
That's right, Brendan. The location is fantastic. This street is great as well. If you haven't noticed, it's a court behind here. Your kids can play all day long, whether it's street hockey, basketball nets, it is perfect. Now, what do we have up the street here? We have an end unit townhouse, about 1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms up, really nicely appointed as well. The finishes are great, 160-foot lot, which is also very unique in this area as well. Come on in and take a peek.
Welcome inside 14 Nicole Park. Now, as we mentioned, we've got an incredible location and an incredible community here in Bracebridge, but we have an even better end unit townhome with all the conveniences for your day-to-day living. Right from the minute you walk through that front door, not only do you have the ever so needed front hall closet, we also have a 2-piece powder room, perfect for the guests to use. Don't have to worry about going upstairs or downstairs. We also have the garage entry, so easy to come in through there on those snowy days. And then the real magic happens back here in the back half of the house. As you can see, we have a large kitchen here with floor to ceiling cabinetry, stainless steel appliance package, the island, the oversized island I might add, with the bar top seating, chef's dream, entertainer's dream in that space, and it just continues right back here into this oversized living room. Again, we are the end unit townhome, so not only do we have the large window and the patio door behind me, but we have another picture window on the side here, just bathing the space in natural light. For the entertainer, as I mentioned, you can just continue that party right through this backyard, which we're gonna show you more later. And again, the conveniences continue with an unspoiled basement with a rough-in bath, as well as a separate entrance. So if you've got the large family, the in-laws, or you're just looking for a little extra income, you have the ability to put that second suite in downstairs as well.
Coming upstairs now, the first thing you're going to notice is lots of natural light, oversized windows all around. One of the things that is very unique about this one as well, though, is the size of the bedrooms, the size of the primary suite. It also has an ensuite as well. You're going to love it.
All right, Chad, I mean, we have clearly checked a number of boxes up to this point, but one of my favorite parts has to be this lot and backyard that you see us in here right now. I mean, we're 19 feet wide. You get that extra bit being the end unit townhome, but we're nearly 160 feet deep here. Now, if you're getting a new home in any other area, you're gonna have 2 or 3 houses on this property, but you get the whole thing. And of course, we've got the Canadian Shield showing its beauty right here. So much you could do with this space. The kids can run around and play. We got all the table land, grassy areas. Again, could be the 4-legged friends, whatever it might be, this backyard has it all.
That's right, buddy. There's not too many times right now I can be a couple feet taller than you, like you are than me on the everyday basis, but today you can be. Jokes aside though, family-friendly location. Love the court, love the end unit townhouse. You're gonna absolutely love the vibes around here with this 160-foot deep lot and the fire pit. The endless nights are gonna be fantastic.
Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We're video marketing experts. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.